So in this video, I want to show you how to use Layout Builder because in the Drupal community, this is what everyone's excited about, this new Layout Builder. Now, make sure you are on Drupal 8.7 and above because in 8.7, the module is stable, whereas in older versions of Drupal, it is experimental and pretty buggy. So make sure you are on Drupal 8.7 and above. So to begin, let's first go ahead and install the module. So click on Extend and then search for Layout and then just select Layout Builder and then click on Install. And then go to Structure, Content Types, and then click on Manage Display on the article row. And then if you click on Full Content, you'll see this new option called Use Layout Builder. But one thing to be aware of is that Layout Builder only works with view modes. If you go to Manage Form Display, you will see no option there. So I don't know if in the future that will change it, but right now Layout Builder only works with view modes, not form modes. So let's just go back to Manage Display and then click on Full Content and then check Use Layout Builder and then click on Save. So straight away, you'll see that the UI has kind of changed. The first thing you'll notice is that you can't select any fields. The reason for that is because you need to click on this Manage Layout to manage all of the fields. And straight away, the UI has changed.